hopes to a window pane. Watch them flutter in the Martian rain. My hands are tired, my voice is small, but I still sing through it all. Lonely lights in neon blue. Dreams feel far, but so do you. Still I strum what's left of me on this cracked old melody. Under paper skies I float with a song I barely wrote. Every note a silent cry, but it keeps me warm at night. Even when the world feels loud, I find my quiet in the sound. Streetlight shadows, empty trains. I hum through the static